First, we do this multiplication. 5 over 3 times 3. We can easily cancel this 3 and this 3, so we have just 5. And 25 divided by 5 is just 5. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay, so first this division. 25 divided by 5 over 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 3. Okay, now 25 times 3 over 5. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. And 5 divided by 5 is just 1. So we have 5 times 3, which equals 15. So 15 times 3, which equals 45. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 45.